Hello everyone. So as we are studying mean deviation, in last lecture I taught mean deviation for individual type of data. Now in this lecture we will see mean deviation for discrete type of data. Okay, so in last lecture I taught mean deviation for individual type of data if we have only x type of data. So this is summation of x minus mean divided by mean, that is what mean deviation about mean, and to find its coefficient we will divide this same quantity by mean, and for median this mean replaced by x minus median and this mean divided by median, and no formula for mode. And now we will see for discrete and continuous type of data. So for discrete and continuous type of data, you can convert continuous type of data into discrete form. You can convert this continuous type of data into discrete form as midpoint x of continuous data. So in both, in discrete data and in continuous data, in both you have x and f. So to find mean deviation about mean, in this case we have x and f. So we will replace this x minus mean modulus by f into x minus mean modulus, and this n by summation f, and all the rest of the things are same. So this mean deviation about mean is divided by mean, and for mean deviation about median we will replace this mean word by median, and for coefficient this quantity divided by median, and for mode this median replaced by mode. Then you can write formula for mean deviation about mode, and to find its coefficient of mean deviation about mode we will divide this quantity of mean deviation about mode by mode. Now we will see numerical for this type of data set. So we have this discrete data, price x and number of unit f, this is x and this is f. We will find mean deviation about mean. So formula for mean deviation about mean is this one, and in this formula first task finding arithmetic mean, and this is discrete data. So for arithmetic mean you have this formula of summation fx divided by summation f. So first we will create column for fx, then summation fx, then put into formula, then you will get x bar is equal to 9.97. Now in formula your requirement is x minus mean, so we will create one column for x minus mean, and after that modulus, so one column for its modulus, and after that this modulus multiplied by f, so we will multiply this column with this f, then you will get this column. And then mean equals to 9.97, and this is x minus mean, so x is 17 minus 9.97, then you will get 7.03. In that way we will subtract this 9.97 from all these x values, then you will get x minus mean, and then we will get its modulus. Modulus means all negative values converted into positive and positive remains positive, and then we will multiply this column with this f, then you will get this f into modulus of x minus mean, and then we need summation, and summation of this is 128.64, and summation f is what, 44. So answer of this mean deviation about mean is 2.92. This is 2.92, and now for its coefficient, this 2.92 divided by median, and mean, and mean is what, 9.97. Then your answer for coefficient of mean deviation about mean is 0.29. And next case, mean deviation about median. So simply this mean replaced by median in formula. So now this is the formula of mean deviation about median. So first task we will find median. So formula for median is this. I have already explained this concept of median in my median lecture. So I will share a link in description box of this median lecture. So median for this data is 9. So first task x minus median. So we will create column for x minus median, and this CF column is required for median, that's why this is there. So x minus median, x is what, 6, and median is what, 9. So 6 minus 9 is equal to minus 3. Then we will take its modulus as formula requirement, modulus column, all negative convert into positive and positive remains positive. And then this modulus of x minus median multiplied by f. So we will create one more column for this f into x minus median, that is this one last. Now we will find summation of this. This is 117. Now we will put in formula and divided by summation f, that is what, again 44. So 117 upon 44, that is what, 2.65. This is mean deviation about mean. Now we will find its coefficient. So this quantity 2.65 mean deviation about median divided by median. So median equals to, in this case, is 9. So your answer for this is 0.29. So this is mean deviation, coefficient of mean deviation about median. Now last is mean deviation about mode. So simply we will replace this median by mode. So first task formula is this, and in this formula first task is finding mode. So for this data, mode equals to 9. I have already explained this concept of mode. I will share link of this of lecture of mode in description box. So mode for this data is 9. So first we will create column for x minus mode. X is what, 6, mode is what, 9. So 6 minus 9 is equal to minus 3. This is x minus mode. Then we need its modulus. So we will find its modulus. Modulus of minus 3 is 3. So all negative values convert into positive and positive remains positive. So this is what, positive value. Now this multiplied by f. So we can create this column, last one, with this into this, that is 7 3 are 21. In that way you can find summation of this. So this is what, 117 again, and this quantity divided by summation f, 44. So you will get this as 2.65, and this 2.65 divided by mode, and mode is what, 9. Then you will get its coefficient, and its coefficient is again 0.29. So this is the concept of mean deviation for discrete data in all the situation of about mean, about median, about mode. So I hope you understand. So please like my video and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.